Hey, you choose me chat here again. Look, this is my third sneeze right here. I'm gonna try to go for the record. 4. Okay. Believe me on my first 3. But here we go. 5. 6. 7. Be right back. Shoot. That would have been 8, but it didn't go. 8. Woo. 9. So, what's everybody been up to? Sneezing is in, I guess. 10. Still feel it. Okay, right here. 11. Come on. 3 more or 2 more for the record. Well, last one was 12. Whew. Almost. Okay. That feels like it's not it. There you go for all you sneezing fanatics. Okay. I don't have any allergies. Just when I cold to hot and whatever. I can still feel it though, right here. Oh, wait a minute, for this for you sneezing guys out there, women, okay? Nah, I think it went away. But there you go, some more sneezes. See.